Alright, so we're doing rotors on the old Honda Element, and I gotta tell you, big shout out to Max Advanced Brakes. They're in Buffalo, New York. I got these freaking things like over freaking night. I could not believe it. And they're drilled. And I've never had a set of brake pads fit. I've always had to file them. A buddy of mine showed me that little trick. Yeah, you usually get this stuff with it, but these pads came in this neat little box here. And of course you got all your new, shims and whatnot there. Got a set of pads, rotors. I hate to even tell you the cost of these things, because they were I couldn't go down to O'Reilly's and buy these, and I couldn't go to Advanced Auto and buy these for this much money. And that's why I didn't go there. But these are Max Elite. I'll tell you what, I've never used these things. I've never even heard of them. But this is for a 05 Honda Element. And yeah, I have never had a pair of pads fit like that. I always end up having to file them and do some ungodly dumbass shit, because you get them from O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto and the pads don't fit back in there. And yeah, I didn't wire brush it, but I used a wire brush. I mean, I didn't use a wire wheel, but I used a wire brush. And I took out the old crappy shit. So, I mean, $100 for all this. And overnight shipping. And I didn't pay for it. This was free shipping. So, you might want to think about these guys. These are Max Advanced Brakes, and they're on Buffalo, New York. This was a drop ship off of eBay, but I'm sure that if you look up that distributor, you'll probably find them, or you'll probably find these brake pads. I mean, drilled, slotted. I mean, where are you going to get that for that kind of money? I mean, Jesus, man. Come on, give me a freaking break. This is like Hotel California here. Jeez. This is freaking awesome, man. Unbelievable. Nice rotors. I mean, $100 for a pair of rotors. Pair of rotors and pads and a whole shim kit here. And I mean, this is a really easy car to fix. The brakes on anyway. It's a Honda Element. Guess I'm gonna have to oil the shit out of this thing pretty soon. Yeah, so it's an 05 Honda, and yeah, it's just reverse order of taking everything off. I used brake clean to clean the surface off. The insides, got the brake shoes in there for the e-brake. So you got to clean all the, the pack and stuff off of that. But, I mean, where are you going to get a deal like that? I can tell you right now, if I went over to Advanced Auto, they would have slammed me up the ass for probably $200 for both of these here. So, yeah. Check them out. I got them on eBay. They shipped them overnight practically. I just ordered them yesterday, I think it was, and today's Thursday. Maybe it was Tuesday night. I think it was Tuesday night, and then the order went through Wednesday, and I got them today. And I got them today first thing this morning, like 10 o'clock. So, yeah, I mean, I've never had a set of brake pads fit in like this. They fit perfect. I don't have to dick around with them or nothing. I can waste my time jaw-jacking here, bragging about what a freaking sweet deal I just got, instead of going and getting ass-packed at O'Reilly's. So, yeah, there you go, man. Honda Element 05 EX. It's a not my preferred car, but it's the wife's car, so she likes it. I don't. I hate it. It's not big enough to do anything with. Man, I just farted. All right, back to work. Like, subscribe, and guitar pickers, keep on picking.